Wow. Well, yeah, now the wind stops, eh? It is super windy out today. Super bright and nice and warm. Yeah, it's so bright today. It's just unbelievable how bright, how warm, and how windy it is. It's going to be a super awesome test for this new Samsung Note phone. See if it holds up to the wind test. I did upload a quick video test yesterday, just about possible RC park, and it actually muffled out the wind way better than the old crap phone did.
That was really good, actually.
Yeah. Proxy, come on. She's like, no, I'll just stay here. We got to take off, Proxy. We got about an hour drive to go. Let's go. Still windy as frig out here, but they got their gate temporary. And see, it's going crazy up front there. But here's a new run here. They got a gate to go in here right from their pen. It's a 60 by 90, so it's a fairly decent size. Well, it's not so windy right now. Well, we went to pick up all brand new poles. Wanted to make it a little bit better. You can see they're kind of making their way around here. Very slowly anyway. They're actually following us, so. Oh, that's cute. I wonder how good this phone's going to work for wind, because it's super windy out. I'm not even trying to block the speaker or microphone. I'm going with it. Just watch him jump the fence on this end to come follow us. But there's a few spots like right there in the fence there that's a little bit open there, but they can't fit through there. Like that spot. Couple ugly patches that I put in here, whole panel. But they got plenty of food for a few days. An ugly looking patch that we put in right there. Again, it's all just temporary. But it'll work. Ah! And that's where the garbage gets burnt. There's a new spot. Yeah, it should work. Where did you put all sand? Right there? Okay, so we'll have to use that to bury it again after, but that works. It's right behind the house here, and now we're going to go for a walk. Hey, look. Deer trails. Lots of deer trails. Yeah, the deer sure like this area. That's for sure. Why are you walking this way? I thought we agreed to walk straight to the back bush.
I was coming...
To walk on the road?
No.
Okay, we'll walk on the road then. Well, it would be. That's what I'm saying, instead of walking backwards. But hunting season for deer is over now in this area. Still open in other areas. Ooh, deer poop. But again, the only reason why I'm doing this is checking how the wind is on this phone to see if it's going to be decent. Get back to you guys. I don't know. Maybe we'll do a little target shooting later. Yeah, they sure like that spot. Yeah. Okay, so there's my house. We just walked across there. And this here is kind of a little mini pits right beside my house. I don't know what I just ate, but it went down my throat. Actually tasted colder. It's probably a snowflake, but it's not even snowing. Well, I ate something. And here's just another shot of it here. Again, some people drive quads in here, but I don't know. I'm calling it an RC car park. That's kind of what I'd call it. Yeah, I do hear Sadar barking from here. Oh, the goats too. I heard the goats. I thought that was Lily yelling, but well, and Mr. Brown now too. A couple little pits on this side, which would be fun for crawling in, but I'm going to gear them for very slow. I don't need a crazy top speed, but well, go from there. Here, actually, hold on to that. Yeah, one there's pretty big. There's lots of them here, that's for sure. That's our tracks from earlier. So, I know that's not our dog's prints, even though Proxy's would be pretty close to the size. No. Yeah. But, just walking back, we decided to cut into the bush here and cut across, and now we're on our way back. But it is nice out. That is for sure.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, I know that you think that the small needled trees
Tastes better? No, I like eating the long needle ones way better.
are fuller, but I still think that the long needled trees make cool looking cookies.
This one's kind of neat with the curve on it.
Yeah. It's twisted. No wonder you like it.
Oh yeah, I'll turn this back on later. And just take a little bit of walk through the bush lines here. Small trees, big trees. I got my trusty little Badger with me, 22 Magnum, with an axe on the stock, modified. Yeah, it works pretty nice. And still windier as frig out, but yeah, it's a nice day, that's for sure. It's about +5 and just windier as frig, right?